there, Bricksters and Lego friends. Twoloosebricks here, and I have a minifig haul. And these two I had already purchased, and they are from different code batches. And yesterday I got 6 more, and they are from a different code batch again. So here is what I have. So this guy here is the race car guy, and number 13, and it's from 306B8, and there's the dot codes for this one. So that's that fella. This one here, 602B8, is number 3, which I believe is the girl with the brick on it. I just don't have her with me right now. Now I've split the middles of these open. So I have not opened them, but I split them just so we can get them open quickly for the sake of this video. So let's open this one and build him. And this is the brick guy, or girl, I'm not sure. It is the girl, because it has the hair. Yes, and she has a nice smile. There we go. So that is 105B8 is the code, and there's 2 little dots there and a dot there. So that's her. Now we'll go to, let's go down to this one. And this one here is the brick fella. Now get that plate out that's sticking there, and of course his head, and I guess there's a little brick, a 1x1 brick with this too. Somehow I got an extra plate. I don't know where that came from. I have no idea. Alright, and we build him. I guess we'll put that in his hand. If we can get it on his hand. Yeah. Okay, so that's the brick guy. So this one here is the same as this one here, or the 2 different lot codes. Only that you notice it only has 1 particular dot on this one, and this one has 3. There we go, right off the bat. You can't trust dot codes. Now, here is the flower girl. Or guy. I'm not sure what it is. There's where that plate came from. Must have spilled out while I had it there. And I like this. Is kind of cool because you put that part down there, and we gotta put her top torso down in the pot. Or I got it upside down. Oh my goodness! Just look at me, putting her upside down. Yeah. Okay, there she is. And a nice flower hat. It is, I think. Ah, it goes this way. Ah! There we go. And she sits there on her thing. And there's her bump codes, and there's like 2 dots here. And then 2 dots over here. Once again, 105B8. And the last but not least, on this row, we have a race car driver. Once again, it is a race car driver, and I wanted 2 of these. I had a feel for the car in this one because I'm going to do something a little special with this fella, and I'm going to make something with him and the other fellow. So I needed this particular guy to have 2 of them. And we'll put his head on there, and his helmet on there, and we will put the wheels in, and the gas cap or the motor, whatever you want to call it, on the back, and stick him on his figure stand as well. Now, that being said, this is also 105B8. And there's the 2 bumps there, and 2 bumps here. Now they're very similar to this one. So, you know, it's ironic that you can have two similar, almost similar, and two completely different bump codes for the same figure. But it's because of the region code or plant code. So, now this one here, we have Mr. Cactus Man. I really wanted him for the Western Village or Wild West down in the amusement park. So we will have one of him. Here's the bump codes for that. You will see 3 here and 2 here. Now I noticed on this package they were very hard to see the bump codes on the back as you normally would see them. You had to turn it around this way and try to shine it in the light and you'd see the bump codes. Maybe they're doing that on purpose and it's through the writing. Maybe they're doing that on purpose now. You can't see it as well on the back, so you can't really go by the bump codes, you know. Once again, 105B8. And yet again, another Cactus. Now, I kind of figured out what these all were when I bought them because I meticulously stood there and felt all the parts, and I could feel the little bumps on this guy, so I knew he was the Cactus. So, once again, 2 bumps there, 3 bumps there. So this guy has like 5 bumps. Well, he has more than 5 bumps, but for the bump code, he has 5. So, there's the Cactus guy. And there's the brick girl. And her little red brick is off to the side there. I'll put it on the front so I don't lose it. And the brick guy. The flower pot girl. That'd be kind of neat in the Harry Potter figures if they made that like a mandrake root. They probably could because now they got the pot right there, so why not? And we have our 2 race car drivers. And we have our 2 race car drivers. That's going to be really cool. What I'm going to do with these, that's for another video. But I just wanted to go over the bump codes with you here. You can see that here. If you want to grab a screenshot to get those bump codes, feel free to do it. And remember, if these are only for these particular region codes. They are not a standard bump code on the bottom for every pack. They are not standard. I don't know how many region codes they are. They're doing this a lot now. They're really messing them up. They're really mixing them up and sending them out to different places. These all came from just 2 different stores. This one here was all in one box, and these were in another box at another store. And they were 2 different codes, 306B8 and 602B8, in the same box. Odd, but it's the truth. That's I'm honest. I'm not kidding you. Unless there was 2 boxes at the store, which probably there was, and these 2 got mixed up in them. But that's okay. We got what we wanted out of this allotment. And that's about it for the bump codes. I hope you did enjoy. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you can stay updated as to when we upload new videos. And stay tuned for some more awesome figure hauls and amusement park updates. The amusement park updates is really what I'm going to be working on because I have a lot of amusement park stuff coming up. And we will talk to you again shortly in the next video. Take care, and we'll see you again soon.